Welcome to Learning Fun with Tails. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. What is 2 times 3? Six. Question 2. What is 4 times 1? 4. Question 3. What is 5 times 2? 10. Question 4. What is 3 times 3? 9. Question 5. What is 6 times 1? 6. Question 6. What is 7 times 0? 0. Question 7. What is 8 times 1? 8. Question 8. What is 2 times 4? 8. Question 9. What is 3 times 2? 6. Question 10. What is 5 times 1? 5. Question 11. What is 4 times 2? 8. Question 12. What is 6 times 0? 0. Question 13. What is 1 times 9? 9. Question 14. What is 2 times 6? 12. Question 15. What is 7 times 1? 7. Question 16. What is 3 times 4? 12. Question 17. What is 8 times 0? 0. Question 18. What is 4 times 3? 12. Question 19. What is 5 times 3? 15. Question 20. What is 6 times 2? 12. Question 21. What is 7 times 2? 14. Question 22. What is 9 times 1? 9. Question 23. What is 1 times 4? 4. Question 24. What is 2 times 2? 4. Question 25. What is 3 times 1? 3. Question 26. What is 4 times 0? 0. Question 27. What is 5 times 4? 20. Question 28. What is 6 times 3? 18. Question 29. What is 7 times 3? 21. Question 30. What is 9 times 0? 0.